Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be talking everything reasons why your protective style may not be protecting your hair. If this is something you have genuine interest in, please click the subscribe button, turn on your notification, come and stay with us. Watch our other videos because we have so many educational videos on how to take care of your natural hair. And then like this video so that this particular video may be able to reach so many Ghanaians out there or other people who may need to know the reason why, even though their style does not have so much tension or their style is not too tight or ridiculous, but they are still not able to protect their hair. So if you want to protect your hair, or if you want your protective style to protect your hair, these are the two main things you should focus on. First, you must wash your hair. If you are in Ghana we have two types of hair: the natural hair, which is like the normal natural hair and then we have people who have relaxed their hair. If you have relaxed your hair, I would not advise you to wash your hair while it is in cornrows and especially braids, knotless braids or rasta as we call it. I wouldn't advise you to do that because it's going to tangle up your hair, and as a result it's going to cause so much breakage. You will lose a lot of hair, which means you as someone who has relaxed hair cannot by any means keep your hair in or your braids or your style in for more than a month. But as someone with natural hair, I can do that. So if you have natural hair like me, you are safe to wash your hair even in a protective style. So today I'm going to be washing my hair because it's part of how I'm going to help this style, this low tension style, to protect my natural hair. So we'll be switching to a voice over because I'm about to wash my hair. So with that, in that duration, I'll be telling you the benefits of washing your hair in a protective style and why you should do it if you are not doing it. So let's move straight into it. So like I was saying earlier, washing your hair while it is in a protective style actually has a lot more benefits than people realize. Because your hair is already stretched and sectioned, it helps reduce breakage during wash day. There is less tangling, less friction, and overall just less stress on the strands, especially the ends, which are the most fragile parts of your hair. This is also where low manipulation comes in. When you wash your hair loose, you usually have to do a lot of detangling afterward, but washing in protective styles means you are not constantly combing, pulling or handling your hair, and that really helps with length retention over time. Another reason why it works so well is because wash days becomes much easier. The hair stays controlled, shrinkage is reduced, and everything is just more manageable. You are not fighting with your hair, and that alone makes a big difference. It also makes it easier to properly clean your scalp. Protective style creates clear paths so you can actually get in there, remove buildup, sweat and dirt, and massage your scalp properly. And a clean scalp is really important for healthy hair growth. Washing your hair in protective styles also help with moisture retention. Since the hair is tucked away, it doesn't dry out as quickly and your products have more time to work instead of just sitting on the surface. That's why washing your hair in protective styles isn't just about convenience, it's about protecting the hair, reducing unnecessary breakage or damage, and managing your routine more consistently. Just keep in mind that your protective style shouldn't be too tight. Focus your shampoo mainly on the scalp and always follow up with moisture so your hair stays hydrated and healthy. Please stay tuned for the next section of this video. So the second and last thing on my list I think you should do in order for your protective style to be protecting your hair is to moisturize it regularly. You can do it twice, no sorry, once in 2 weeks or once in a month. But I genuinely think, or I genuinely recommend that you do it once in 2 weeks. Once in every 2 weeks. So you moisturize your hair once in every 2 weeks. You are going to be doing everything I'm about to be doing here, except that when you are just moisturizing your hair, you're not washing it. Washing it is different from moisturizing your hair. So if you are going to be moisturizing your hair, instead of pouring water all over your hair, you just have to use a spray bottle to spray water over your hair. And now you can do everything that I'll be doing right now. But personally, what I do is, let me just give you a rundown, and I'll just move quickly into doing my hair, or just moisturizing my hair. So when I'm moisturizing my hair, I spray my hair with water. The water I put leave-in and glycerin into it, warm water, then I spray it all over my hair. Then I go in again with leave-in, more leave-in for extra moisture and all of that. Then I go in with my hair growth oil. I made it myself. I go with my hair growth oil, then my hair butter. Then I steam my hair. Yes, I put a steam, the plastic cup you saw earlier. I put it on my hair, then I go in with my steaming cup. After a while, after 15 to 30 minutes, then I blow dry the hair and I'm done. If you don't have a blow dryer, all you can do is just leave it to air dry. But today I'll be adding a few things because I actually washed my hair. So today I'll be going in, after I have done everything, leave-in, hair oil, hair butter, I'll be going in with my mousse for extra shine and all of that. Yes, I'll be going with my mousse, and then my hairspray. So these are, if you have these, I think these are the only things you add when you actually wash your hair that particular day. Like if you didn't wash your hair and you just decided to moisturize your hair, I don't think you should do anything extra. Just something to allow your hair to give the hair time to take in the every goodness that you give to it. So yes, that is basically it. So in order for your protective style to protect the hair, so this is something you're going to do. In order for your protective style to protect your hair, okay? In order for your protective style to protect your hair, what you have to do is to keep it moisturized. And keeping it moisturized means you have to wash your hair every moisturizing change of hair. Sometimes you wash your hair, and like I already stated, you wash your hair so that get rid of buildup, then you replenish with new product. The thing so if you are not doing that, your hair is not, your pore is going to get clean. And if you are only moisturizing without washing your hair, that is bad, because you are passing or piling up products with dirt, clogged pores. That is bad, and it's going to in turn affect you negatively. It's going to give you a big blow, a blow you didn't expect. So yes, moisturizing your hair all the time, so you want to keep your protective style in control. So moisturizing it every 2 weeks, every 2 weeks, every 2 weeks without actually washing the hair is wrong. So what you have to do is moisturize your hair every 2 weeks, then wash your hair. Or you can do it, I do every 1 week, I moisturize my hair every, so if I say, right now that I've washed my hair, the next week I will moisturize it, just a simple moisturizing routine. Then the following week I'll wash it. Then the following week moisturize, the following week I wash it. So this is how it is. So I moisturize my hair every 1 week, and then I wash my hair every 2 weeks. because I have low porosity, which means I'm prone to product buildup, excess stress, blah blah blah, all of that. Because my hair is not able to take too much. So because I have low porosity hair and I'm prone to product buildup, what I do is I don't use too much product in my hair. I avoid slapping too much product in my hair. I give my hair enough for it to absorb rather than slapping things on my hair without when I know my pores are going to get closed and it's going to affect me later on. So yeah, this is basically it for the things you have to do in order to keep your protective style actually protecting your hair. Okay. Sorry. So this is what I think you should be doing, or this is what I do. And for close to 2 years now, I've been doing my hair as you can see. So yeah, if you do these two things I've spoken about while your hair is in a protected style, I can guarantee that you are going to be able to retain your growth. There are so much more to length retention, but these two things are the foundation to length retention. If your hair is not moisturized, if your hair is dry, I'm not saying wet hair does not mean moisture. The fact that if you are keeping your hair, you don't have this is one of the things I used to believe. I thought that if my hair is wet, it means it's moisturized. It's not true. Wet hair does not mean your hair is moisturized. Not at all. Moisturized means your hair has been able to absorb a certain amount of moisture into it, and it is sustaining that moisture for a certain period, for a certain time period. And after that time period, all you have to do is just return it back. So yeah, that is basically it. So I'm going to be showing you practically how I do it in this video. I'll be very snappy about it, and then we will be moving to the end of today's video. So let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to be using these two after I've dried out my hair. So if you watch to this point, thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comment section what you learned from this and what you would like me to help you out. That if you have any kind of questions to ask me, have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section, and hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification, and like the post as well. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.